Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Solflare wallet from apps and websites. To disconnect your Solflare wallet from apps and website, first of all go ahead and open your Solflare app. After you're inside the main home page of the app, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up settings from where you need to tap on Security and Privacy. From the Security and Privacy tab, tap on Manage Apps. Now you will be able to see the list of connected websites and apps on the page. To disconnect from one of your apps or website, go ahead and tap on one of your apps or websites and then click on Remove App. Click on Remove from the pop-up menu at the bottom, and then you will be able to disconnect your Solflare wallet from the app or website. That's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.